Alright, picture this. I'm about to whip up the easiest heist recipe ever. That's right, it's a data breach, and trust me, you don't need a ski mask or Hollywood-level hacking skills. In fact, with the right ingredients, anyone could pull it off, which is exactly why we need to talk about it. Let's get cooking. You'll need one credentialed user, maybe your coworker, or maybe you, some live and juicy data. Customer contacts, pricing, financials, employee records, company IP, easy stuff. One handy software app with a super convenient export as button. Oh, and for flavor, toss in either a bad actor with stolen passwords, a disgruntled insider, or my personal favorite, a simple user error. Step 1. Pick your target. Mid-sized companies are like the warm bread of data breaches, soft, tasty, and plentiful. Next, use a little phishing email or AI-powered fake friend to snag a username and password. Log in, fire up your trusty software, and if you can see the data, guess what? You can take it. Copy, paste, and boom. Move that data into your very own getaway car storage. Make a few backup copies because hey, why not plan ahead? Now you can either put that data up for sale on the dark web, or if you're feeling dramatic, send a ransom note straight to the owner. Here's the kicker. Each breach can net you thousands, and you barely even have to get off the couch. Financially tasty, right? But here's the chef's note. Small risk of arrest, but a huge risk for everyone else. Every time this recipe gets used, trust gets torched, customers lose out, and nobody wins in the end. So next time you see a suspicious email or an easy export button, remember this recipe. And let's keep it off the menu. Reach out to i4ops at i4ops.com and find out how to keep exports off the menu.